Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue. Issue is that when you just input the SIM and they saying that no service after the update, and how you can fix that issue in your iPhone or your iPad. So simply just follow all these steps. I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix that issue. Simply just go into the settings of your iPhone and to have to make sure that you just have to going to the mobile services and going to the mobile services you just have to just going to the settings of your iPhone and just go to general section and then update the latest iOS version in your iPhone maybe iPad. After updating the iOS version, just simply just going back and just going to the scroll it down and see the option of transfer reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on reset and then reset the network settings from here. After doing all the steps, you just have to just put out the SIM from the iPhone and again insert it. After that, you just have to just turn on the airplane mode from here, just like that. Turn on the airplane mode from here. After doing that, you just have to just reset the network settings. After doing that, you just have to have a turn off your airplane mode. And the other thing is you just have to update the iOS version. After doing all the settings, you just have to just on off your iPhone and again power off your iPhone and again on it. After that, your problem gonna solve. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.